Everyone, so I wanted to share this really cool water bottle with you, and we're actually going to be heading on a trip here shortly, and so I'm excited to take this with us. And why? Because it has a fan in it. So here's your cover, and the cover actually has like a little slip spot that you can slip it into place, and it is important where you put it because you can actually open up your straw so that you can just suck the water right out of your water bottle, and then you can also close it. And then when you pull your cover off, it exposes the fan. And the fan works by just tipping it up and it automatically turns on. And you can see I've got it fully charged here. You've got a push button. And so like, just to kind of show you with the hair, here's one. So it's very light, not necessarily, but you know, just kind of move in the air. Here's two. You can kind of see it blows my hair a little further. And then here's three. So like it can really move the hair. So when you're sitting somewhere, like my kids are bowlers and so they get hot during their bowling tournaments, or if you're sitting on a boat out on the water, or you're sitting somewhere and you just want that fan, but you don't always want to just have that handheld fan, this is awesome because you can set it and you can position it. You can be working on whatever you want to work on, if you're working out, anything like that. So it's super fun. And then it shuts off as soon as you tip it over, but then it'll turn back on when you open it back up. And then as far as water capacity, it does have a straw and it comes with a cleaner. And you can see it has a nice big capacity in here. And it will hold hot or cold, so depending on when you need this. And then you just put your cap on over the straw so that you can see it. You do have this nice easy to carry handle, so you could even clip it to a bag if you need it. It does take the C port, so it comes with its own charger. And then you do have a different top. So if you end up not wanting the fan, you know, like if you're gonna do hot liquids, you could easily just change it out and put on this other cover. And now you've got more like a thermos. So pretty cool dual purpose little gadget here.